in my bag. Chabur brand with keychain, boba tea, pink. Excuse me. Eco bag, wallet, and have the Yo-Yo card, Little Twin Star, and Kuromi. My Melody pouch, medicine box, and iPhone earphone, Apple earphone. Medicine by Jessic. Dito sa loob, inside here. And this one is cell phone plug. This one, my Melody alcohol case. And this one is Christian Dior mirror. Christian Dior mirror. Yan. Christian Dior mirror. Mira to. Ito na, Yo-Yo card for riding bus. In Taiwan, we're using yung Yo-Yo card for riding bus. This is Kuromi and my Melody. And Little Twin Star. Here, 40 NT only in Guangchang Chian Market. 40 NT only. Handmade. Look at the zipper handle. It's very beautiful. This one is my Yo-Yo card. This one is Hermes buckle of scarf and ponytail. No ponytail need na me because my hair is short already. Recently new haircut, bob cut. This one is my membership card from bookstore. Look at it, so beautiful. Ito yung ano niya, name ng bookstore, Mandarin. Sa Chayan na bookstore to. Near McDonald. Have discounts. NT discounts. Money discounts. This one, Bello. Pasensya na kayo sa cartoon niya. Lumang-luma na. Dahil very useful. Bello sunscreen protection stick siya. Maganda siya sa skin. Gaganin mo lang siya. Tapos na. Sunscreen na siya. Tingnan naman skin ko. Very smooth. Diba? No wrinkles. Skin ko. Pero sa eyes may wrinkles na ako. Sa eyes, dito wrinkles. Saka dito. I use filter so my face is different. Parang may makeup siya. Na parang retoke ang mukha. Hayaan mo pag naka-retoke ako, ganyan kaganda rin ako. Ito naman, lip balm, peach lip balm. Yan siya, strawberry siya. Strawberry flavor. Yan, white lang siya. Dito lang nilagay, oh. Yan lang lagay. Ara-ara ka maglagay. Yan lang, isang pahid lang, ganyan lang. Pwede na. Everyday mo ilagay para gumanda yung lips mo. Not dry lips, crack lips. Ito yung base sa akin ng Rareway na products. Nagbenta siya. Niyaya niya ako sa team niya. Inigaluhan niya ako ng from Macau na from Malaysia pala, from Malaysia na nail cutter from Malaysia. Ganda niyan. I use this one for clipping for my nails. This one naman yung mga papers ko, mga importante. Tapos meron akong isang yo-yo card print na ang pangalan nitong bata nito. Nakalimutan ko na pangalan nito eh. Japanese siya o Taiwanese na cartoon na bata. Yan, tapos meron akong Domino na catalog for ordering pizza. Speaking of pizza, sa Christmas party namin sa church, may pizza, magbibigay ng pizza. Masarap na pizza. This was my calling card. And this is my mirror, Chanel mirror. Yan, Chanel mirror. And this one is dog garbage plastics. Maliit lang siya. And may design pa nga siya, oh. Pantapong ko ng mga basura ko sa habang nakalabas sa outside. Ito naman for putting earring or necklace or medicine or something small, can put it inside here. Pink alcohol and keys, LV keychain holder. My Melody clip for cell phone plugs. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Charmed you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. support me naman.